Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I just woke up right now, and I took my dog out, and I realized she has no food. So I have to go right now and buy some food. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I do know that this little guy right here and my other brother Robert wants to go to where?
Smoothie King Empire.
Yeah, so they want to go to Smoothie King. I don't know why. I mean, it's just smoothies, but I don't know. We might go right after I go to the store and get my dog food, and but I also know that I have to go to the Apple store because I still haven't fixed my phone. So hopefully I can get that fixed today because I've been working on this for like 3 or 4 days now, and it's really like frustrating. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna go do that later. So I'll probably show you around. It's at the Domain here in Austin. So I barely even go there, so I don't even know how like what's around there. So I'm gonna be looking around and showing you guys like my new experience like with the whole area because I'm like I said I barely go there. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready right now and then head over to the grocery store and I just picked out an eye booger. But um, yeah, guys. So let's see what I do today and hope you.
Baby, hit it.
Try walk away. Alright, guys, so you're probably wondering what I'm eating. Um, so basically, this is an egg sandwich, but instead of bread, what I'm using is these rice cakes. The reason why is because if you look at the macros, it's only 7 grams of carbs, 0 fat, and 35 calories. So it's less carbs, less calories, all that than just regular bread. I saw this on a fitness thing on Instagram. What do you want, little kid?
I'll hold it for you.
No.
Alright.
So yeah, I saw this on a fitness Instagram, and I thought I'd just give it a try. So I've never had this, so we'll see how it is. I'm also drinking this high brew coffee. Also only 60 calories, vanilla. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and see how it is, and I'll let you guys know. And this little kid right here keeps bothering me. What do you want?
I don't know. I'm gonna hold.
What do you want?
I was going to hold it and record it.
Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna eat this real quick, and then I'll let you guys know what I think about this. All right, guys. So my honest opinion on that sandwich is, it's not bad at all. For mine though, I just had egg and like one slice of cheese, so it didn't really have flavor. But so it just tasted plain. But I mean, if you had something else, such as like bacon or just some sort of like, I don't know, like spice or something to your eggs or something, I don't know. But mine was just plain, so it kind of lacked like taste. But it was not bad at all. I thought the rice cake was gonna like crumble as soon as I bit into it. It was gonna like all fall apart. But no, it actually stayed together. I guess because like the heat of the egg and all that, it kind of like warms up the rice cakes, so it kind of keeps it all together. I don't know, it's weird. But yeah, it was good. I just ate one. I drank my coffee, just a little breakfast. And then later I'll eat something else. I'm not too sure. but I'll show you what I eat later. Um, but yeah, so I'm gonna go with my mom actually to the Apple store. It's 10 in the morning right now, but I have to wait for her to get ready. So I'm just gonna wait, and then I'll talk to you guys when I leave the house. So yeah, I'm gonna probably take. No, I'm not gonna take a nap because then I won't wake up. I don't know, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm finally going to the domain with my mom. I fell asleep on the couch because she took forever, so now I feel sleepy and I don't feel like doing anything. But I gotta go and I'm trying to hurry up before she leaves me. Gotta get my wallet. Oh no, oh no. I dropped everything. Okay. Hopefully I can get my phone fixed. If not, it's gonna suck. But we'll see. See you guys. So I was able to replace my phone. They gave me a brand new one for free. I worked on this for about 4 days. I gotta say thank you to my mom for driving me. And yeah, it's been a real hassle trying to get this phone for my Apple ID. Been working this for about 4 days and just so many calls back and forth. But yeah, I definitely learned my lesson. I'm definitely gonna keep track of everything that I make on my accounts, so this doesn't happen again. But I got lucky this time, got a brand new phone for free. So yeah, pretty successful, but I don't know what I'm gonna do later on today. We'll see, and I'll record whatever else I do and I'll show you guys. But yeah.
Very happy.
What?
So you're very happy.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy that I got this phone for free because I'm going through some financial struggles. But yeah, we'll see whatever I do next later on. So stay tuned. Look at this, guys. This is why I cannot be with my mom. This is why. She wanted Chick-fil-A, and me, being that I love Chick-fil-A, I got myself a sandwich and a small fry. I already ate it, but yeah, this always happens when I'm with my mom, because she wants to go out to eat. So, but I'm just gonna do some cardio later to burn it off. But it is a lot of carbs. But at the end of the day, guys, it is calories in, calories out, what you eat, based on what you burn. So, just gonna have to keep my calories low for the rest of the day, and stop hanging around my mama. But yeah, we're parked right here at the park, as you can see. We're parked here so she can eat and
Enjoy the day.
Enjoy this day. It's actually pretty cool today. It's always hot here in Texas, but it's finally cool today. Hopefully it stays like this. I don't know. But like I said, we'll see what I do later on today, and I'll show you guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm at the gym right now. I didn't do anything because I fell asleep. I have a little bit of shoulder pain, so I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. It's 10:30 at night. The gym closes at 12. So I'm gonna warm up my shoulder, and then I'm gonna see if it hurts. If it does, I'll just do back, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna go warm up and see what I do. But sorry guys, I didn't do anything. I just fell asleep, like I said. So I hope I get a good workout right now. Hopefully my shoulder doesn't kill me. I'm doing shoulder press right now, seated. I am feeling very weak though, because I haven't done shoulders like in a week or two. I'm trying to let it rest. So right now I feel weak. I'm only doing this 6 reps. Usually this is real life for me. That's a 45 and a 25. But I mean, I feel good though, so I think today's gonna be a good workout, so we'll see. Alright, so as you just saw, I had a pretty good workout actually. I didn't feel that strong because, like I said earlier, I haven't done shoulders in a couple of weeks, so I felt kind of weak. But overall, my shoulder pain was non-existent. I feel pretty good right now, and it was a really quick workout because I got here like kind of late, almost 11, and it closes at 12. So, but I still got a good workout in. But yeah, guys, sorry I didn't do much today. I fell asleep. But if you watched this whole video, I appreciate it a lot. It really means a lot when if you guys watch my videos, if you comment on my videos, you know. But anyways, guys, thanks again, and have a great day, a blessed day, a positive day, and let's just keep this positive vibes going around, you know. But yeah, I'll see you on the next vid. Peace.